Breathing healing light into the womb meditation. This is an excellent meditation to do at the hour of Nebt-Het between 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. to clear, balance, and nurture the womb. As we do our daily womb meditation, we can release those traumas with breath, color visualizations, proper diet, and hands-on healing. Sit comfortably in a chair, or better, sit on the floor with your legs crossed and your arms resting on your lap. Or lie down flat on your back, whichever feels right to you. Begin to breathe deeply and slowly as you relax your face, chest, arms, hands, womb, hips, thighs, legs, and feet. Charge the energy in your hands by briskly rubbing them together until they're full of healing heat. Place your hands over your sacred womb. And now, be very still. Breathe deeply. Feel the warmth from your healing hands, penetrating and filling your womb. Feel her relax. Continue to breathe deeply. Inhale slowly, visualizing light and peace and healing entering your womb as the air expands your abdomen, and then your chest. Then exhale slowly, visualizing all emotional and physical toxins departing from your womb as your abdomen contracts and your lungs push out the remaining air. Repeat 10 to 20 times. Now use your breath to help feed healing colors into your womb. Use all the colors in the spectrum as color healing to charge, cleanse, and rejuvenate. Continue breathing in each successive color until your womb feels filled with that particular energy, and then move to the next color. While each color bathes your womb, say, "Womb, be still, be at peace." Slowly breathe into your womb the color white for cleansing. Now breathe in red-orange for power and energy. Next comes a deep shade of blue for peace. Breathe the color green into your womb for abundant wellness. Then breathe purple into your womb for spirituality. Pink for divine love. Violet for high womb consciousness. Then gold for prosperity. And finally, breathe a fine, clear yellow into your womb for the higher mind. Now recharge the energy in your hands and gently place them on your womb. Feel the peace, harmony, and well-being that filled your sacred womb. Finally, as you continue your slow breathing, visualize the 4 elements of the natural world: fire, water, air, and earth, and invite them to come and heal your womb as you did with the color visualization. Spend as much time as you need with each element, healing, nurturing, loving, and bringing you harmony. First, visualize the sun energizing your womb. Next, experience the ocean washing and cleansing your womb. Feel the air caressing and bringing ease to your womb. Then feel the earth beneath you, drawing out all the negative from your womb.